Learning patterns. A great way to get comfortable playing any scale shape and at the same time make it sound a lot more interesting is to learn something called patterns. A pattern is a small group of notes from the shape that are played in a specific order, like this. It's almost like a lick, but a pattern can be moved to different positions in the shape, like this, or like this, or wherever you want in the shape. Notice that it's the exact same pattern played, and we use the same amount of notes and the same rhythm in all of these. But since we changed the starting position, we get a variation that sounds different. So you can play patterns wherever you want in the scale shape, which is a great practice to learn and explore a scale shape. And it sounds a lot more interesting than just playing it up and down. It's also a first step towards jamming or improvising to songs, as you can base your melodies and solos on these patterns. So before you start learning all the amazing solos out there, we'll start by practicing a few patterns to really work up your muscle memory and get you comfortable in using the scale shape. In the upcoming lesson, you'll play 5 notes using this pattern. You can start this pattern from any of the strings, except the first string, since this pattern requires 2 strings to be played. So it can sound like this, or like this. Note that in this specific pattern, you always start and end on either the ring or pinky finger, depending on where you start. In the following lesson, we'll move this pattern around the scale shape, so make sure that you've practiced on the pattern a couple of times to really get the rhythm into your muscle memory. Also, this is a great daily exercise to develop your fretting techniques.